Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel The Killswitch Trader. Today in this video I will discuss with you 320 strategy. I have discussed how to be a successful option scalper in one of my previous videos. So if you have not watched it yet, then go to my channel page and watch it. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. So let's start. 320 strategy is a overnight C or P carrying strategy by YPulse. It's a simple overnight position strategy. So if you have not enough time to trade in the market hour, then you can use it. If you are thinking that market will open gap up tomorrow, then you can buy C. It's a simple strategy. You have to buy C or P at the end of the market at 320 to 320 p to 3:30 p.m. And if you are thinking that market will open gap down tomorrow, then you can buy P. Just simple. But remember, no setup in the world can give you success all the time. Any setup which has more than 70% success ratio is a fantastic setup. Practice it for at least 6 months with low capital, 1 or 2 lot. Then you can increase your capital. By doing so, your confidence will grow and you can use more capital after 6 months. There are some rules for 320 strategy. Always remember, don't use more than 10% of your capital for 320 strategy. Look, 320 strategy is an overnight carrying strategy. So 320 strategy depends on many more factors. How world market going on in the night, okay? What news come in the new night before the market open tomorrow. So 320 strategy is a risky strategy. So don't use more than 10% of your capital for 320 strategy. Remember, never deploy your full capital in 320 strategy because who know what happened tomorrow. So never use more than 10% of your capital for 320 strategy. If you are in profitable position in that day, suppose you have earned 10k in that day, so you can use your profit means the 10k to buy or C or P position for the next day. By doing so, you are reaching only your profit for the next day. Suppose you have earned 10k, so you can buy a 400 rupees call option or put option with that money. By that, you are reaching only your profit for the next day. It's an ideal condition to buy a 320 strategy. So if you are in a profitable position, then go for 320 strategy. Now let's come to that point. When to buy C? If you are thinking that market will open gap up tomorrow, then you can buy C. So what is the condition to buy a C? Look, if market closing near day high means buyers are active till the day end. So you can buy C thinking that market will gap up tomorrow. So one of the condition is market should close near day high. If you have YPulse subscription, then check 320 strategy at YPulse page at 3:20 p.m. and check what signal YPulse is giving. If YPulse gives C signal, then it is better to buy a C. Now another point, look at Banknifty future or Nifty future price and watch whether it is closing above certain resistance level or not. If Bank Nifty future price or Nifty future price close above resistance level, then probability of opening gap up is much higher. You have to check another option. Look at ATM and OTM call option. Watch whether it is showing long build up or not. If it is not showing long build up, don't go for a call option. Okay, so if you are a seller, watch out whether it is showing short build up or not. So if you want to carry a option, whether it is C or P, it should build a long position. Okay, so here are the four conditions you have to check before buying C. E means call option. Okay, check on option with that. Okay, please check whether Dow Jones is trading in positive or negative. If it is trading at negative, don't go for C, because world market is one of the most important factor in how our market open tomorrow, gap up or gap down. It's much depends on world market. And please check Dow 30 before buying a C. If Dow 30 is trading in negative, don't go for C. Here is another example from 1st April 2022. Okay, 37,000 call option. Look at 37,000 call option data from 1st April. Here is the data. Its price change is 87% and percentage change Y is 81%. So it's a long build up. Remember, to buy a C for overnight carrying, ideal condition is price change should be greater than 50% plus Y change also greater than 50%. If it fulfill this criteria, it's a good enough to carry forward a call option. Okay, so you have to check whether it's a long build up or a short build up. If it's a long build up, then you can go for C. If the price change and OI change is greater than 50%, then you can go for the C position confidently. Now here is an example from 1st April. Look, Banknifty future chart here on 1st April, it closed above a certain resistance level. Look, here is an resistance level. From here price is come lower. Okay, so 1st April it closed above this resistance level. So it's an ideal condition to go for C. And look at on 4th April 2022. 37,000 call option closed on 503 on 1st April, but it opened 655, almost 150 point profit. Okay, and it went up to 1747. So if you have bought one lot, you can profit up to 30,000. Okay, so here is the fun about 320 strategy. You can earn enough without without even invest your time in market hour. Okay, so if you are an office goer, it's a perfect strategy for you. You can buy 320 strategy C or P position at 3:20 p.m. and you can earn money from the market also. And now I am come to the condition of when to buy a P. The condition of when to buy P is exactly opposite of C. Market should closing near to a day low. YPulse should have given a P buy signal. Okay, Bank Nifty or Nifty future price should close below a certain support levels. So Bank Nifty or Nifty future, if Bank Nifty or Nifty future close below certain support level, the probability of opening gap down is high. You have to check the OTM and ATM options options also. If ATM and OTM put options showing long build up, then you can buy P confidently. Just a minute. Here is one of the example. Look at chart from 3rd March 2022. Here it closed below this candle slow. So this candle is a support, this candle low is a support, and it's closed below this support area. So in this case you can go for a P. Okay, I have already shown you example from 1st April. It closed above the resistance level, that and watch how gap up it opens the next day. Okay, so I am showing you. Look at this candle. It close near day high, and the previous sorry, the next day it's open gap up. So look here also, this in this candle it's break the trend line and formed a Marubozu red candle. So in and close near day low, and it opens gap down in the next day. So the condition is for C, you have to check whether it is closing near day high, whether ATM or OTM call option building a long position. That's the two main condition. You have to check whether price is closing near day high or not, and ATM or OTM option is building a long build up or not. And for P, you have to check whether it is closing near day low or not, and ATM or OTM put option should have long build up. Okay, and you also have to check whether the bank nifty price is closing near closed above certain resistance level or closed below certain support level. You have to check this criteria, and here is I will show you now how to watch 320 strategy in YPulse. So if you have a YPulse subscription, then please open the YPulse at 320 and click on strategies option and click on 320 strategy, and here you can find the 320 strategy. Look at today's 320 strategy. Today 11th April 320 strategy suggests a put signal. So if you are a YPulse subscription holder, you can watch it from YPulse page. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.